Hello everyone, welcome to our Math 9 series. So today we're going to discuss about illustration of quadratic equation. So take note that quadratic equation has a standard form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. And take note that the highest degree of standard quadratic equation is 2, or it has always an exponent of 2. If the exponent is less than or greater than 2, then that is not a quadratic equation. Okay, let's have an example. Example number 1, we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Is this an example of quadratic equation? Yes, it is. It's because the exponent is 2. And then, as you can see, it follows the pattern of the standard form. Okay, so let us now identify the values of A, B, and C. So for the value of A, we have 2. And then the value of B, we have positive 3. And then the value of C is equal to positive 6. Okay, example number 2. We have 2x times the quantity of x plus 3 equals to 9. Is this a quadratic equation? Okay, let's see if this is a quadratic equation. Let us apply the distributive property of equality. Let us multiply 2x times x and then 2x times 3. Okay, what is 2x times x? We have 2x squared. 2x times 3, or positive 3, that is positive 6x. And then, bring down equal to 9. Okay, next is, since 9 is still in the other side, we have to apply the addition property of equality. So, we will subtract 9 both sides. So, we have 2x, copy 2x squared plus 6x minus 9 equals 9 minus 9. Okay, so this will become 2x squared plus 6x minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so is this now a quadratic equation? Yes, it is. So we have now the highest degree is 2. And then we can now identify the values of A, B, and C. So we have the value of A is equal to 2. The value of B is equal to 6 or positive 6. And then the value of C is equal to negative 9. Okay, example number 3. Quantity of x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 3 equals to negative or minus 4, negative 4. Okay, so in this example, we already know that we cannot identify this if it is a quadratic equation or not. So let us first simplify the given equation. Okay, let us apply the FOIL method. So x times x, and then we have x times negative 3. Then we have 1 times x, and then 1 times negative 3. Okay, x times x, we have x squared. X times negative 3, we have negative 3x. Then, 1 times x, that is positive x. And then positive 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3. Then bring down equals negative 4. Okay, what's the next step? We are going to combine the similar term. So we have x squared. Combine these two. Negative 3x plus x. That is negative 2x. And then bring down negative 3 equals negative 4. Okay. The next step is we're going to apply the addition property of equality since we still have negative 4. Okay. So what should be the sign, or we should change the sign of negative 4 to positive 4. So we'll add x squared, bring down x squared minus 2x minus 3, and then add the inverse of negative 4, which is positive 4. Then equals, copy negative 4, and then add positive 4. So, the final answer or the final equation is x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, let us identify the value of a. So we have now the standard form, or this is already the standard form of quadratic equation. Since we already have the highest degree of 2, or the highest exponent is 2. So let us identify what are the values of a, b, and c. So we have for the value of a, so as you can see, we don't have, or we don't see any number representing a. So that is automatically 1. So what a is equal to 1. Then b is equal to negative 2. And then c is equal to positive 1.